Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Nathaly Raya here and welcome to today's video. How can I continue this intro looking like this? I know, I have to tell you guys about it. I guess you can say my hair is red right now. So I know what you're thinking, Nathaly, you look 100 times better as a brunette, and you're right. I'm with you on that one. So the reason why my hair looks like this is because I am trying to go to a very light ashy medium brown. That is my favorite hair color, and to get there, because my hair is a very dark brown, I have to dye it light first and then hit it with a brown. Now, I wasn't planning on making any videos while my hair looks like this, but my hair has actually been doing very good. I mean, it should be. I'm freaking using like a $20 shampoo, $20 conditioner, and I mean, I can't complain there because it's pretty worth it. So I am usually really impatient, but since my hair has been doing so good, I wanted to let it chill for a little bit before I go in and dye it one more time. Back then, because I was so impatient, I would always dye my hair that exact same day, dye after dye, and that is how my hair would get damaged. But because, I mean, hello, it got this light on my first try, like, so because it was so good to me, I want to be good to it. I'm gonna give it about 1 week before I go in and dye it brown. So for now, you're gonna have to get used to this Nathaly right here. It's all going to make sense towards the end. So for today's video, it's morphin time. Okay, it is giveaway time. I am super excited. I love makeup, but I cannot use everything, so I think it's only right if I give some of it away. So I put together all of my unused, brand new makeup products all together, and all of this together is worth about $300. So I just decided to do a giveaway. I am going to be choosing 3 winners, meaning that each giveaway bundle is going to be just about $100. Now, before we continue, if you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe down below right now. Also, make sure you click that little notification bell button. It's right next to the subscribe button, so you guys don't miss out from any of my upcoming new videos. And if you would like to follow me on Instagram at Nathaly Raya, that's how you can find me. I swear I cannot stop looking at my hair. Like, it's really light in the bottom, but it's showing very red on camera. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys every single item that you will be getting if you were to win one of these bundles. There is 3, so I'm going to start off with bundle number 1, Obvio. And the first thing that you're going to be getting in this package is this Tarte, I was about to say Shape Tape. So you're going to be getting this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3. And this right here is an eyeshadow palette. I'm going to go ahead and open it for you guys so you guys can see the shades that you're going to be getting if you get this palette. Oh my goodness. Just touching this palette, it's so pretty. I love the gold to it, the blue. The packaging, the component is so pretty itself. You get 8 different shades. By the way, they're all shimmery except for one, which is this one right here. And it is just the perfect transition shade. I mean, you can use this for all over your eye and then just use any one of these shimmers on your lid and you're good to go. And I mean, come on, you can switch it up like every single day. And this pretty little palette right here retails for $36. The next item that you're going to be getting is this Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioner Cleanser. I mean, this is literally Glam Glow goals. Even the packaging, it's so pretty. I mean, come on, you get so much out of this. Oh my god, are my fingerprints all over it already? Sorry. And this right here retails for $28. The next thing that you're going to be getting is the next thing that you're going to be getting is this Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Naked. It is a nude shade, but it's more like on the pale side, but it's not too pale, but it is a little pale. It's a really pretty shade though. I own a few of these, and this right here retails for $20. The next thing that you'll be getting is this lip gloss by Orisa Beauty, and this is actually a lip topper. How I feel about this is magical. It's so pretty. The color to it is amazing. This is in the shade Rose Glow. I mean, that's a unique name because usually it would be like rose gold, but it's rose gold. Rose Glow. Pretty sure that it is about $13, so. And finally, the last thing that you'll be getting in this giveaway is this La Cura Soft Pink Blush. This right here is actually one of probably the first makeup product that I got here in Germany. It is really inexpensive. It's about $5 and it is such a bomb blush. It's actually what I'm wearing right now. And I mean, my makeup has been on literally all day. I mean, it's cute. So there you go, that is bundle giveaway number uno. Now we can move on to the second one. So on this bundle, you will be getting this this is the Festival 12-piece pressed pigment palette, and this is another item that I actually got from my Boxy Charm. It is unswatched, it is brand new. I promise you every single one of these items are brand new. I just have way too much makeup that I cannot keep all of this. So I will go ahead and open this really quick so I could show you guys the shades. Oh great, they are in the back, but now that I got it out of the box, I'll show you anyways. This palette right here retails for $36. Okay, I thought that was blue, but that is actually purple. And then, oh my goodness, these two shades right here. Holy crap, those are beautiful. The next item that you're going to be getting is this Alamar Cosmetics, this one right here, and the Festival palette, like together is just like bomb.com. So I love me some blush. It has a mirror, which I love. I love all three of these shades. Like I am just dying to swatch these, but don't worry, I am not going to swatch them. Just by looking at them, you can see how pretty they are. That pink one in the middle is just calling my name. I mean, also this one right here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I gotta put this away before I change my mind. Also, the palette itself, like the blue, I don't know, it just gives me like beachy, wet vibes. Definitely something that I would carry with me like in my travel bag. Oh my god, see, I'm already thinking about it. So this right here retails for $22. The next item that you're going to be getting is this Anastasia liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Ashton. This is the color right here. Oh, sort of similar to the lipstick that I'm wearing right now, but I'm actually wearing ColourPop in the shade Mija. But Ashton, I own a few of these as well. I love it. It is a little bit darker than what I'm wearing right now, but it is definitely one of my favorite lip shades. And again, in case you missed this right here retails for $20. The next item that you're going to be getting is this Wet n Wild gel lip liner. This right here, you guys, this is my favorite lip liner. This is my go-to lip liner whenever I wear lip liners, because I don't all the time, just every now and then. But it is really inexpensive. This right here is only $3.29. You can find this pretty much in every drugstore that carries Wet n Wild. I know you could get this at Ulta for $3.29. And I mean, the style, the brand, the color, it's like the perfect lip liner. And finally, the last thing that you're going to be getting is this long wear lip. No, not a lip. This is an eyeliner. Definitely an eyeliner. This is by the brand Starlux, and it's also in the shade Cosmic, which I'm guessing that is a black since there's no color around it. But this is an Ultra Gem Longwear Eye Pencil. And this right here retails for $13. Let's move on to bundle number 3. So for this bundle, the first thing that you will be getting is this Morphe Babe in Paradise. Why did I just say Morphe? It's Morphe and Bretman. So this is the Babe in Paradise highlight palette. This right here I have purchased a few times just because I think it's such a bomb item to give away. I feel like it's so universal. Am I using that right? I'll take it out just so I could show you guys what it looks like and what I mean by it. By the way, this also comes with a fan brush. This is a little fan brush that you will be getting. And then let's check out the palette. So the reason why I say that this is a bomb palette to just give away, pretty much usable by like anyone. I mean, you have your lighter shades and then your darker shades, plus the pan sizes are just so big, so I feel like you get a lot out of this palette. The next item that you're going to be getting is this Dose of Colors matte liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Stone. Oh my goodness, I have to take this out of the package just so you can see how beautiful this is. Like, oh, by the way, I love how it says new bestie. It's like, how do you know? So this is it. It looks like a very dark mauve in the little component. Also, this is the cutest. Like, I am so tempted to keep this, but like I said, I could not. I have so many lipsticks that I don't even wear lipstick actually. I probably put on a lipstick like once a week, but this is really cute, and this right here retails for $18. So the next thing that you're going to be getting is this face mask. Oh, I gotta take it out of the frame. So this is the Tula Probiotic Skincare Bright All Night Energizing Sheet Mask. Now I did get this obviously on my Boxy Charm, and it does come in a set of 2. Now these retail for $24. I am keeping one myself, and I'm adding this one to the giveaway, so making this sheet just about $12. Also, I love giving away face masks. Face masks are everything. Like, there's something about them that it just makes you feel so relaxed and just so beautiful. Love them. The next item that you're going to be getting is this Ciate. I'm going to say Ciate London. This brand right here, we actually have here. I can literally go to Rossmann right now and shop for Ciate London. So this right here is a cream eyeshadow. I'll go ahead and open this up. This is in the shade Cupid. So here we go. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. It actually looks pink, a little bit of rose gold, silver. You can see how it makes it look like a little bit of purple, but it's definitely not purple. This is actually pink. I can just picture this on the middle of the lid, like boom, halo eye. Hello, what can I say? I literally wish I could just open this and pop it on the middle of my lid. So this right here retails for $22. And finally, the last thing that you're going to be getting in this bundle is this eyeliner, and this is by Bodyography. I love saying Bodyography. It's just such a bomb name. This is in the shade Emerald, and this is an eye pencil. This is the color right here. And this little guy right here retails for $14. And now that I have shared every single item with you, we can now move on to the requirements, because unfortunately there is requirements. But don't worry, they are super simple, and this is actually the best way for me to keep track. I am going to be doing it a little bit different. So number one is you must be subscribed to my YouTube channel, Nathaly Raya, o sea, obvio. Number two, Joy Tribbiani would be laughing right now. Number two is you must be following me on Instagram, and the reason why I say this is because I will be announcing all 3 winners on Instagram, so I don't want you to miss out from that. And number 3, now this one right here is the one that I did different. You must repost any one of my photos on your Insta story with the hashtag giveaway, and also make sure that you are tagging me on that Insta story so it can notify me. So let me go into detail why I chose these. Obviously, number 1, it doesn't really need any explanation. Number 2, you must be following me on Instagram. Just makes it a lot more easier for me to contact you. Such an easier way for me to announce the winners. I could just boom, announce them on an Insta story, and then you guys will be notified right away. For the reposting on your Insta stories, you can literally pick any one of my photos, whichever photo you want from my Instagram. Literally, it could be my last photo. If you don't like that one, it could be my second to last photo. It could be any photo that you want. Honestly, all you have to do is take a screenshot of it, post it on your Insta stories, hashtag the word giveaway, and make sure that you are tagging me. Like, you have to tag me in it, and then boom, you are entered. So I just find it a lot easier for me to do it this way, just because as soon as you tag me in it, it will let me know, and then boom, I have your name right there. It is like the easiest way. So all 3 winners are going to be completely random, and all 3 winners are going to be announced on June 4th. So this gives you just about 12 days. Just in case you don't want to do it today, you can do it tomorrow, and if you don't want to do it tomorrow, you can do it in 7 days from now. You have 12 days. Really quick, something that I want to mention is that if you don't have Instagram, don't worry, I am going to be doing another giveaway very soon just for YouTube, like literally only YouTube. But anyways, I am going to end this video right here, and I do want to give out a shout out, and today's shout out goes out to Josie's Journeys. A shout out to you, girl. And if any one of you guys will also like a shout out, all you have to do is make sure to be subscribed and comment anything your big ol' heart desires. I love you guys all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed to join the Raya family, and I will see you guys soon. Bye guys.